While the nozzle and for some the bed are preheating, let's set the stage. The importance of getting the first layer height right cannot be overstated. A bad first layer usually means the print will fail. What we need is for the first layer to firmly stick to the build plate. If the first layer peels off and moves during the print, you will end up with a ball of plastic spaghetti instead of a prosthetic hand. The nozzle needs to start printing at just the right height, lightly pressing the filament onto the plate so that the first layer sticks well. My JellyBox is still getting ready by running the auto bed leveling sequence and heating up. Ta-da! Let's launch the calibration print. Go to Print Adjustments and use the Live Adjust Z height to lower the nozzle in real time until the filament is sticking well to the build plate. At the end of this print, there is this little parallelogram so that you can fine-tune the first layer. Observe how the parallel lines blend into each other. This is a great first layer. It's smooth and the lines are all well connected and hard to separate. When the nozzle is too high, you can see tiny or large gaps between the lines. Also, the lines are rather easy to break apart. Restart the script and lower the nozzle some more. When the nozzle is too low, you'll get an oversized, rough-looking first layer. There are these tiny ridges that arise as the nozzle drags through the over-squished plastic. Restart the script and raise the nozzle up. That's really all. Here, have one more look at these nicely connected lines. May the memory of this image guide you towards many more beautiful first layers.